and welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing a little bit of Glossybox. Are these not the most adorable boxes y'all have ever seen? The month of October 2020 for the Glossybox, you will receive one of these boxes, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So before we get into the whole unboxing of our Glossybox for October 2020, quick disclaimer as always, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, not a space for negativity. Didn't really rhyme, but you know, whatever. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome to the judgment-free zone, where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we talk about makeup, we review makeup, and we remember it is in fact only makeup. It's not that serious. We're just here to have a good old time. I upload all the time, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time. On the weekends, I like to pop up videos around 9 p.m. Eastern time, and you guys, even still, I sometimes pop up even more. You just never know. So you might as well subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I also am busy over on Instagram, TikTok, and I do have a second channel, HOTMESSMOMMAMD Vlogs, where I have now kind of pretty much committed to at least one video a week, vlog style, over there on my vlog channel. So let's go ahead, jump into all the information and the unboxing of our Glossyboxes for October 2020. Okay guys, so like I said, for the Glossybox for October this month, you will receive one of these two boxes. Now, each item in here, or each box has the exact same items in here, is what your girl's trying to say. You guys, it's later in the day, and we're doing a little car shopping for my 16-year-old, and Mama's just way too, like, whew, it's a little too much. It's a little too much. That's all I gotta say about that. Like, it is nerve-wracking. So anyways, I arrived home and I had these beauties sitting here, and I wanted to get this video up to you guys ASAP. So a little information regarding these boxes, because in all honesty, I was a little thrown off too to see two different ones. So up on the website, it says this month we have two special designed boxes to make this fall feel fantastical. It says each box will contain 5 beauty products worth over $85 in here, and you will receive our Enchanted Spirit or our Midnight Fantasy box. Now, your first box with Glossybox is $16 if you use my link down below. There may be a code as well. I'll have all the information in my description box below for you guys, as well as in my comment section. So I have to show you guys the boxes, because legitimately these look like cute little boxes that you buy at like Target or Walmart. And you guys know I love to like gift things and reuse the boxes. You can easily decorate the boxes. When my kids were really small, I used to paint the boxes or put paper on them and then have them put their handprints on here. So this is what the first box looks like. And again, it has like a Glossybox on the box as well. And then here's the other one. This one is the Enchanted Spirit, and this one is Midnight Fantasies. Isn't that so pretty? I mean, in all honesty, I feel like they would be really pretty decorative pieces as well. And it says the beauty titles on each box. And then, like I said, you're going to see Glossybox on them. So I'm going to unbox both of them for you. From what they told me, they did send this to me in PR, so thank you, Glossybox, for that. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. But from what they told me, the only difference is the boxes. The boxes do contain the same item. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the box. Now, as always, the presentation is always so beautiful when it comes to Glossybox. You always have a nice little bow in here, and then when you undo the bow, we do have a little pamphlet. It says the beauty tiles on it, and then it does give you information of everything that is in the box, as well as the full-size retail value. And actually, it does look, it actually, how cool is that? It actually tells you the mini size, the retail value of the size you actually receive in here. So I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff I'm seeing in here, I just gotta say. So we do have a little tissue paper with a sticker on here. And when we jump right in, I love this, and this is, to me, this is not deluxe. This is, I would say this is a full size. This is a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Mask. This is 1.65 a fluid, or no, hold on. Sorry, my dyslexic and I'm tired is playing in. It says 50 ml, 1.69 ounces. You know how things jump if you have dyslexia. You guys understand. So I love this stuff. I actually received this in another subscription box, and I actually, when add-ons are available for the small little sizes, I grab them. I really like this particular face mask. I have, you know what, maybe it is in a larger size. I don't know. Hold on. Welcome to the hot mess. Remember, it's a judgment free. This is actually $14.44. This is considered a deluxe size. That is a lot for a deluxe size, in my opinion. Okay, so I do have the full size upstairs, and the full size does have a retail value of $21.50. This one, like I said, has a $14.44 retail value. It rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. Like I said, love this. If you follow me over on Instagram, you guys would have seen like different pictures. I think I actually have one of me and my youngest daughter doing this face mask together. I absolutely love it. And I still can't believe that's so of example. Okay, so the next item I see in here is by Ciate London. This is an extraordinary translucent powder. I like that we're seeing the Ciate London in more boxes again. I really enjoy their powders, guys. I enjoy their eyeshadow formula, as we know. And this is, again, this is a good size. Oh my gosh. Okay, so a little information about this. This is considered a deluxe size. I mean, do you guys see how big these items are? Like, just for reference, this is my e.l.f. under eye little setting powder that you guys know I always talk about. Do you guys see that? Like, that is a good size sample. I am impressed, Glossybox. And I mean, look at this one. You see what I'm saying here? I mean, you're getting, and it's full. It is full up in here. So these are amazing. Absolutely amazing. So a little information about this. Like I said, deluxe size. This is $18.98 worth of their powder. The full size is $22 grand total. And it says that finish off your makeup masterpiece with this finely milled setting powder. Ultra blendable, lightweight, buff effortlessly onto the skin without any cakiness or creases for long lasting wear. I will tell you guys, I love this powder. And I had mentioned in one of my last unboxings where I received this in a different subscription, I told you guys I wasn't for sure whether or not there was flashback, and some of you guys actually left a message or a comment in that video letting me know that there wasn't flashback on here or with this powder. And I will tell you guys, it says it's finely milled. It really truly is. If you have mature skin, if you have fine lines under your eyes, this is absolutely beautiful underneath the eyes. Just like it says, small little dusting right under the eyes. I don't like bake with it or anything like that. It is considered a finishing powder. I don't set my foundation or anything with it, but it is gorgeous. The next item I see in here is by Earth Harbor. It says Aurora Superfood Apoli. I never say that right. Let's see. So this is what the box looks like. $16 for your first box, guys. After that, I believe it's like $21. Look at that. So this is a full size. It does have a retail value of $32. It's the Aurora Superfood Luminous Apuli. It says full of sea greens, cannabis sativa hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing a dewy luminous. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. Ah, you know what I'm wondering? I like to do like that exfoliation, kind of the dermaplaning or whatever it's called, or using my Michael Todd Beauty exfoliator tool. I bet this would be beautiful because you know how your skin gets a little red, and I bet this is going to be super calming for after doing those types of exfoliation treatments. Oh my gosh. Okay, so again, $16 if this is your first Glossybox. Let me double check real quick because I want to say after your first it becomes $21 a month. Let me double check. Yeah, it's $21. So your first box, like I said, is $16. After that, this box is $21 a month. This is amazing, and we're not done yet. We still have 2 more items. The next item I see in here is the Lovecraft lipstick. This is actually really pretty. This is by KVD Beauty, and this is a small, like, little deluxe size sample. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That's pretty. True color here. That is pretty. I feel like I would probably do like an ombre lip with that. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it's very creamy feeling. And like I said, I've never received one of these where it was like a shade that I would wear. I've always given it to like Hailey or put it into a giveaway. So this shade I'm very, very pleased with. And a little information about this. Like I said, this deluxe mini is worth $14. Full size is worth $20. You can find it at KVD Beauty. It's a vegan and cruelty-free lipstick. Will make you feel bold and stunning, just like its studded packaging. Its creamy, cushiony, and highly pigmented formula will give your lips the treatment they deserve. And I will say, just doing that swatch on my hand, it did feel nice and creamy and very, very comfortable. I like that. Okay, there's one more item in here. I do believe this is a sheet mask. It's a 2-piece, it looks like, sheet mask. So there's that. It's a Radiant Glow gel mask. It does have niacinamide and willow bark extract to reduce environmental damage and restore youthful glow. It also has centella and tea tree oil to soothe stressed out skin. It's called the Spotlight Radiant Glow Mask by, is it Ona, New York? A little information about this. This is actually a $9 gel mask. It's formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia. This refining hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. Its comfortable fit and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone on the move. You know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling like you guys are probably going to see a little self-care Sunday picture over on my Instagram. I love to take a little bit of extra time. Well, actually, it doesn't even have to be self-care Sundays. At this point, it's like anytime. But yeah, I love sheet masks. That is everything in this box. And like I said, this box, whether you are if you're a current subscriber, it's going to be $21. If you are new to Glossybox, it will run you $16 with the link I have down below for you guys. Let's go ahead and open up this box just to double check and make sure we have the same thing. The only difference I see so far is the color of the ribbon. And jumping in, of course, we get this. And it does appear that everything is in fact the exact same. So right down to the Kiss Studded lipstick that we are seeing right here. So what are your guys' thoughts on this box? For me personally, like I said, whether you get it for $16 or $21, I definitely think you're going to be getting your money's worth. I mean, this alone is like $30-some, and I can tell you guys, I have used this repeatedly and I love this mask. I love this line. I actually got some little mini add-ons that I picked up in different types of formulas that this one makes. Again, the Ciate London powder, excellent deal. So I think this box is definitely a winner. The October box, perfect. So anyways, guys, let me know if you received Glossybox, and let me know, do you guys use your boxes like as decoration or gifts to give? Let me know down below. I do that with a lot of my subscription guys. Like you can't beat it. You know, I mean, look how cute that is. Okay, I'm hopping off. I'm rambling. I'm overtired at this point. So, all right, guys. Like I said, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Check out my vlog channel as well. Maybe I'll take you guys along with us on this shopping excursion we are doing to try and find a safe, reliable car for my boy. So, anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Glossybox for reaching out and sending this my way. I do greatly appreciate it. Like I said, guys, there is a link and a coupon code down below for y'all. It is not an affiliate link or anything like that. I do not earn a dime from you signing up. It's just a way for you guys to save money, and who doesn't want to save money? So anyways, guys, don't forget that when it comes to subscription boxes such as this, even if you don't use everything in this box, these make great stocking stuffers or little goodie bags to give to the kids' teachers or to the dentist or what have you. So just a little food for thought. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.